What are the benefits of using rose water for hair?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to unlock the secrets of an ancient beauty trick that is making a big comeback: rose water. We often hear about its benefits for skin, but did you know that rose water can do wonders for your hair as well? So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of rose water for hair care.
What is rose water?
Rose water, as the name implies, is made by steeping rose petals in water. This results in a fragrant fluid rich in the rose's beneficial compounds. It's a natural product that has been used for centuries for various beauty treatments, and it's now gaining recognition for its hair care benefits.
How can rose water benefit your hair?
Now, let's look at how rose water can breathe life into your hair. 1. Soothes scalp irritation. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe scalp conditions such as dandruff and psoriasis. 2. Promotes hair growth. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, which stimulates hair follicles and promotes hair growth. 3. Adds shine and smoothness. The nourishing and moisturizing properties of rose water can add shine and smoothness to your hair, making it look healthy and vibrant. 4. Conditions hair. It works as a natural conditioner, detangling your hair and making it easier to manage.
How to use rose water for hair care?
Rose water is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a hair rinse after shampooing, mix it into your conditioner, or use it as a hair mist for midday freshness. Simply pour some rose water into a spray bottle and spritz it on your hair whenever it needs a little pick-me-up. So there you have it. The ancient wisdom of using rose water for hair care still holds true today. With its soothing, conditioning, and beautifying properties, rose water might just be the natural hair care product you've been looking for. Remember, healthy hair is beautiful hair. So why not give rose water a try and let your hair's natural beauty shine? We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more hair care secrets.